What's going on, YouTube? It's not Metal Complex here, it is Caleb, or Weavs EDC. Today I'm coming at you with an unboxing. I got 3 items, 2 packages. So 2 packages we're going to unbox, and 3 items within them. All of them are going to be sharp and pointy things. I do not have an obsidian toenail, so I'm gonna have to settle with this measly CKF Evo 3.0. This one's coming in with the Zircuti pivot collar and then the darkened titanium handle scales. You got the M390 blade with the hand polished satin on there. So this will be used for the unboxing. I'm gonna have a video coming out soon about this. I'll probably just do a strip down of it, basically take it apart, clean it a little bit, although it's just from the factory like maybe a month ago. And so I got this off the pre-order. I'm ecstatic about it. I have a few opinions on it, but overall it's magnificent. And the main thing I want to do is put some Loctite on the pivot, mainly because it's such a big knife and it's drop shutty, but because it's always dropping, that pivot's loosening up. I fidget with it a lot, so it's always kind of getting loose. The centering's going off on me, but that's just because I need a little bit of Loctite on there with this heavy blade. So I'm gonna go top down and we're going to show the boxes and then basically unbox these items. It's not a review, it's just kind of like a first impressions and look at them. So here we go. Side, I got the workers of my apartment complex. They're out there doing some roofing, which is awesome because we're getting new roofs, but there might be some hammers going on, and my wife's in the kitchen. So thank you to her for making dinner for us tonight. We're having some gnocchi, which is exciting, and then my dog's eating food. So we got a little bit of background noise going on, but hey, that's life, right? A house is made for living in. 3 items, 2 boxes. This first box here, they both came USPS. Let's cut this one open. So I found that over the years, just cutting this flap here is the easiest way of unboxing these flat rate shipping boxes, because you can just access it here and then you don't have to worry about your knife edge getting all sticky when you're cutting this here. So open it from the side. This is coming from Monkey's Edge. Most of the time I can't hit all their drops. I typically fall through on getting there. I usually get cart sniped on the way. But this one was sitting on their website for a little bit. I wasn't there for the drop, but it was available still. This is their restock of it, but this is the Rockwall by Tactile Knife Company, also known as Tactile Turn. This is their, sister company, or their company that does knives. So the Rockwall with thumb studs rocking the Magna Cut and the Monkey's Edge frag pattern. Woo, that's clean. Right there you see the MEFP Monkey Edge frag pattern. I had one of the original XHP steel versions of the Rockwall, but it had the flipper here. There's Athens licking up his water right there. But man, these thumb studs give it an awesome action. First off the bat, I love the milling pattern on here. Obviously it's frag pattern. And then also on these thumb studs, these are textured. I didn't know they did that. Let me know if they do that on their original ones, but is it just the Monkey's Edge frag pattern ones that they give these textured thumb studs? That's sick. It shoots out like a dagger in the night. I don't know. It's awesome. I can dig it. Let's go to box 2. Ladies and gentlemen, you see it. CRK. What's in the box? A Hinderer. You got 2 brands here that are basically lead competitors in the $500 range market, and these are well known in the knife community, but they are ones you probably aren't thinking about. They're different than the typical Chris Reeve or the typical Hinderer. So going Hinderer first. Got some stickies. These I got from a buddy over on Instagram. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this one's gonna be bigger than your regular XM-18 because it's the XM-24 with that Bowie. Let me know in the comments what you guys say. I say Bowie, but you got the big Bowie on that one. Gray G10 and as well as the brown G10 on the backside. We got a blackened titanium. You're rocking tri-way pivot on this, CPM 20 CV. XM-24. Chris Reeve, what you got? We have the Umnumzaan with DLC'd scales. But you guys all know and love the Umnumzaan. The Umnumzaan has had a huge blow up this past year and a half. It's gone crazy, but this one here is DLC'd with the RGT clip. There you have it, guys. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing. So we are talking about my wife and my dog. Well, he's obviously growling, but here is my gorgeous wife and the amazing food she just made. So this is vegetarian gnocchi, and you got the red onions, and what are we drinking? Drew's drinking a crush with an Avant. Can I see your koozie?
Yeah.
The Luft Avant koozie. Bam! Drinking the crush, and then my little koozie for dinner, but that's what we're having.
I would be drinking a beer, but crew can't have beer.
Yeah, our little baby's on the way, so sometime this month. We're 37 weeks, so anytime now we will be having our first baby boy.